How could you honestly stand up there and call yourself...
You want to raise?
What do y'all think you're doing here?
Wow, you must have done something really awful to get messed up like this. What, did you murder a priest or something?